to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, no.
It's a rainy, wet day today in the motherland. Oh, got that light on, need to turn it on. We have to conserve. Hold on, let me do that first. Not that I really understand all the switches. I guess it's that one. Yeah. Let's go back and check and see. Yeah. Rainy morning. Good morning. It's 12:30 here. But I'm usually doing footage that are dry and sunny. The motherland does get wet often. Well, obviously, in order to have all those luscious green, it has to get wet. But warm wet, kind of like Jamaica vibes, if you know what I mean. You know, it rains in Jamaica, but it's still warm. Even though people here be putting on hoodies and jackets as soon as it rains. I guess for them that's like winter, right? It's still hot. I'm wearing long sleeve shirt today, and it's hot. But wife for life, she should be getting ready. Let me go see where she is. Should be able to find her real quick. We should be inside here, beautifying herself. Say hello. It's a long time we haven't done a vlog, so she's thinking I'm FaceTiming. No, I am actually just collecting footage. Not so sure I'm gonna do this because it's a vlog, but it's not like an official vlog like how we used to vlog, if you know what I mean. So back in the day we used to talk to the people, yes. But today we just
random
footage and put them together. Got the Jamaican.
I love my wooden bracelets. I got some from Jamaica. These two are from Jamaica. These are here on the island of Zanzibar. All of these, and look, it's broken.
This one, Jamaica is facing this way out.
Yeah.
This one, it's.
Oh, I need to turn it.
So, there we go.
And my bracelet's broken, so I need a new one, hubby.
Okay.
And this, courtesy of JOH, Jewels of Hope. If you don't know, you know.
If you don't know, well, we let you know. Jewels of Hope is our own business.
My own business.
You know, so I'll add a little link so they can see. And as you see, yard abroad.
Yard abroad. If you know, you know. Twinning.
Yes.
There you go.
We have to represent.
And if you can see, oh, you've got, oh, okay, turn it around. It's got all the parishes. Let me see if you can see the parishes. Okay, there you go.
And this is my outfit for the day.
You got your Richard Mille watch.
My Richard Mille.
Course.
You know, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
And if you don't know, RM1103.
Yes.
You know, he's a Swiss watch designer. He's Italian Swiss watch designer. For most of you who don't know, Switzerland is between Italy, France, and Germany. Mm-hmm. So a Swiss watch designer in Italy is not
a problem.
Not far-fetched.
Yeah.
You know, but Richard Mille been on the scene not so long, but if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. That's my fix today.
Let's of today.
Ankle
Got
bracelets.
more jewels
Also
involved.
made by J of H.
Yes. And of course, we've got Perpetua. This is our space, our spot. Let me see our outfit of the day. Alright. And this is what I was saying, you know. In Africa, when it rains, you know, hey, it's hoodie season, right? Because that's like winter, you know. Well, for me, I need AC. We forgot to lock the door as if we have a maid here. There we go. All right.
Got to lock the door. I'm so excited to go
Let me
out.
see. Tanzania key chain, Tanzania bracelet. I've got 2 of these. Plus survive, you know, I have to
Always.
represent at all times. All right, let's go. Right.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. All right, action.
Okay.
Driver minute. We're doing a vlog minute.
Yeah.
And this footage we're gonna put on YouTube, so you're gonna see it.
How is
All right. All right. Manad is like family. You know, it's
Yeah,
not just
yeah,
a driver.
exactly.
You know.
Yeah.
So whenever time we're in Africa, it's all about Manad. All right. So, how you say hello to the people in Swahili?
Habari yako?
Habari yako, and they
Yeah.
must say
So another one.
no. How they reply when you say
Mzuri.
oh, it's dirty.
Everything is good.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
So, in Jamaica, we say.
Wagwa. Wagwa maniga. How's it?
And if everything is okay, what you say, Patsy?
I did everything freeze.
Everything
Yeah.
is good. All right. There we go.
Everything. That's banana. Yeah. Huh? Lucky one.
And I got beautiful ladies with me today. This is my life.
Enjoy.
Welcome to it. We got Zuhura, we got Petty, we got Wife for Life, and we got the ocean. Yes.
No, no, no.
favorite place, Life of Life, where you at, girl? There you go. What is this? Come on, come on, we're doing this. Look at the map until you go to this. We just stay right there in the shade. Because bad man can deal with hot sun.
Is this avocado? Why? I want to pick one and
Mama gets the coconut from is it from his house or
Umebeba da?
Ya, nina mnazi.
Ulinunua?
Kuna mnazi nilinunua nitakukata katika madirisha. Nikavisha ya.
Sijaelewa.
Hata kama saa 10 mimi nipo. Sorry. Hata kama saa 10. Aga.
open one first. Yes, you can.
I don't see tea.
See there. Don't waste. Another one?
How are you? Small like this. There you go.
cheers.
Keep your eyes on the road. And the squad is here. Out in the supermarket. It's hot today. So this is the squad. Welcome.
Like it. Milo.
Breakfast is a little bit of everything. Rainy season in Zanzibar. March, April, they say, and it will be raining again. When? September through November. So this is our current situation. So driver is out. Rain from the heavens. Is the door open?
It's open.
Wow, look at that stream on top of the car.
Oh man. We need to get
All
away
right,
from
let's
there.
go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, Manax. This is the other side of Zanzibar, where the Muslim people don't see.
That's what I mencaca. Terima kasih Bapak. Apa yang bos dan
Good morning, people. So, it's a couple days later after the last time we were in camera, but we've been a little busy and a little not so busy because it's been rain. But we've been in and out. We've not been capturing everything on camera. I guess since we've stopped vlogging, we kind of lost touch of how we used to vlog, you know? We used to capture every little detail. But this morning, it's a Sunday morning, and we are about to go to a beach club here in Zanzibar. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. Well, this is my top that I'm gonna be wearing. Another shirt that the wife bought for me. You know, I like it. And over here is her swimsuit. So, I'm hesitating to put on this shirt right now because the electric has decided to leave us for the past, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 hours. It's been a while. So, definitely need a generator in this home. These are not the glasses I'm gonna be wearing, but for now, that's what I have on. These are my reading glasses. See, the fan is standing still. I've never actually used this feature before. Remote capture. So I'm just actually just using it just to test it and incorporate it.
Uno. Tres.
Number two. Yes. For myself, I have two options. It's my everyday wear. These are my Gucci. These are transition lenses. Then I got my bad boys here. Gift from the wife for life. My Pradas. These are good. Try these on. These are my Pradas. Gift from the wife for life. I think they were out last summer. Really like them. So we're definitely gonna be choosing this one. I have a slippers dilemma because my shoes, those are the wife's slippers. Those are mine. But they've been itching me every time I wear it. So I'm just gonna sacrifice and wear it today. Then, hopefully I can find some shoes, some slippers to buy. Even though I didn't want to buy any more slippers here. You know, I don't know. It didn't quite work out for I and I. All right, I really want to go outside to get some fresh air because I'm dripping right now in this place. And then when we go outside, we can do an outfit check. Tell you what we're actually wearing and where we're actually going. So let's go. Even these footage just sound like they lack life. And the reason why they lack life is because it's hot. As you can see, oh, the sky is a bit gray. This dual capture, where I can capture myself and the thing in front of me. Come on, let's get into the footage. See? Can film us and film there, huh? iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah, man, say it loud. Let me see your outfit first. There she is. Yeah, got Michael Kors. Got Michael Kors bag, Michael Kors shoes. You got two phones in your hand. Gotta call this girl two phones because I don't understand. Waiting for Wife for Life to make her grand entrance.
One eternity later.
I think the wife brought this from Zara.
Yes.
Don't know where she bought these trousers. I just wear them, you know. These slippers are from Zanzibar. My bracelets are JOH, Malaysia,
Africa.
Zanzibar. This is Richard Mill, RM11-03. If you know, you know.
You
Don't
know,
wanna
you
go
know.
into too much details with that, but if you're a watch fanatic, then you know. These are my Prada shades, you know. Got them about one season ago. So, yeah. That's it.
JOH, hello.
Oh, JOH again, you know. Today we're going to a beach club. It's called La Saint-Tropez. La Saint-Tropez. So, we've been to a beach club before. All three of us have been to a beach club before. Nanasi. 7.5 out of 10 for me. But this other beach club, La Saint-Tropez, is supposed to be a better. So, let's go on the road and see. And that's the drive, of course. Sir Manat.
Good morning.
Mambo Vipi.
Mambo Power. How are we today?
Today
Well,
is good. Everything, Chris.
Yeah.
Not so sure what's gonna happen today because it's raining. Not sure if it's gonna be a beach club day. So let's see anyway, because Zanzibar is crazy like that. You drive through a lot of rain and then boom, the sun shows up. We are actually here. It's warm, so that's a good thing. All right, I will let you decide. But it's wet at the moment. All right, but it's a beautiful. The sun is sunning. The sun is sunning. So okay. All right, let me tell you what I think.
The sun is coming out. So
Making the best of it.
maybe a good day after all.
Maybe. So, as you guys saw, it was raining at La Saint-Tropez, but now the rain stopped. We're in Nungwi City, Nungwi Town, and we saw this sign that says Kibanda Beach Club. So, there it is. We're gonna check it out, but check out the entrance. Man, they need to do better with these entrances. This is like a little river. Yeah. So careful with the car in this because we don't even know the depth of it. Let's see how we maneuver this. Easy.
It's a boat.
Feel like the car just turned into a boat. That is mad. And we have more. And this is leading to a beach club. Is this like a neighborhood where people live? Oh man. This is a different side of Zanzibar. Got breadfruit.
Swahilini. Yani kama nyumba tu. Kama shekela kama nyumba.
Is there a beach club around here for real? So, we're not gonna do that. So, we have to find ourselves back out of this mess, back in the main road, and then, yeah. What was the name? Kibanda. Oh, well, forget it. What does Kibanda means?
Kibanda, it means like small house.
Okay, well, if we knew that, then we wouldn't have
Like
come.
that one.
Look at this, man. This probably is a river itself, and I didn't know it was people's neighborhood, you know. Then I wouldn't have come down here. We are telling people don't do it, especially in rainy season.
If you don't know how to swim.
There we go, back on track. Alright, well, that was evident how that went. We went to Les Saint-Tropez and it was raining, but now it's looking sunny. We're still in Nungwi. We are at Baraka Beach, Nungwi, but we're not here to swim. We're here to eat pizza. Where is she?
So, the current situation is that we are at our normal beach. This is where we come all the time when we're in Zanzibar, in Nungwi, and this is Baraka Beach, and we've got a few connections here, you know. So we're just gonna stay here until we just kind of like decide, I guess, and then we're gonna go back to Saint-Tropez. But it's very nice there. It's very chic. I like it. You know, it's our style. Vibing with us, so we're going to look for another beach now. Kawengwa Beach. It's supposed to be chill, and that's what we're looking for. So let's see.
Back to base.
Back home.
Tired. Yes.
Just a road trip today.
Yes. We accomplished nothing.
No way. But tomorrow we're doing something else. We've got something else planned.
Until then.
Ciao for now.
Ciao.
This won't work on me, I've seen it on TikTok. Bruh.
We're back at the shopping center.
Supermarket, let's do a little twirl.
Yes.
That's where we're going, over there, supermarket, buy some goodies.
Yes. We've been here before.
Yeah.
In all of Zanzibar, where we're staying anyway, on this side, nearer to Stone Town, there's only like 2 decent supermarkets.
Yes. This one?
SM supermarket
Yeah.
and Town supermarket.
Town supermarket has all your, well, what's the brands that you know, like Kellogg's, and you can buy peanut butter and syrup and all those kind of things in those supermarkets.
Anything that you're accustomed to in Europe, USA.
Yes, you'll find it in these supermarkets.
Yes. Yes. Betty, Binti, this is pretty much the supermarket. to get the receipt because Petty want to make sure that we don't get robbed. Yes. There it is, the flyover at Quere Market. Quere. Buy some jelly and I saw some June plum. I think I was too excited with my jelly coconut. I left my June plum. So now I'm back for my June plum. Wow, June plum not here no more. So, it's another rainy morning. It's another. Well, they say it's no rain while we're going.
Maybe it will rain when we get there.
We'll see. Wife is beach ready.
Show my belly.
People doing photo shoot. Yeah. Say something to the video.
Something.
Beach attire. Yes. So we're about to see the water in a few minutes.
When we first started the vlog,
It's raining. These are my Jesus walk shoes.
These are my Zara standards. So you know where I am because imprints in the sand leave Zara logo.
Seems like they're gonna go out. just slowly, slowly going in. This beach used to be nice, but now it's got too many boats. Too many boats around. But they're saying it's because it's low season. It's cold. Alright, I have to come back to you guys after we take a dip.
Shall we do the dip for the camera?
It's long time we don't do vlogging or so. It's kind of like sacrificial doing it for the vlog right now.
Okay.
Okay.
3. 1, 2, 3. I was already in there, really, because you're taller than me.
Alright, action. We are in Nungwi, Zanzibar. One of our favorite little spots, small little beach called Baraka Beach. Used to be one of our favorite spots, but right now, not really feeling it because we got that. You know, I welcome the beach club. The beach club is a thing that Zanzibar was starving for, and it seemed like they got permission to build out. I guess it will be a beautiful beach club when it's done, but then we won't have much of a beach afterwards. You know what I mean? So that is the downside to that. Alright, let's open the door in front. Yes. Come on, let's go. You have to be a part of our vlog situation. I'm talking to you and I'm talking to the viewers. You must say hello to the people.
Hello, people.
Look here in the green. You know, I'm not used to filming on my phone, so I tend to be looking here, but I see it's wrong. You need to be looking there, the green light. Anyway, it's a Sunday today. Just Walla Fresh. Just come back. Betty, she likes the Patois language.
Patois.
Yeah, so I tend to be speaking a lot of Patois over there. So tell me, what do you think I mean if I say just Walla Fresh?
Just full of fish. This means we just fresh up.
Close enough. Just Walla Fresh means I just took a shower.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just Walla Fresh.
Just full of fish.
Raining here in the motherland. Rain, 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 rain. And as you can see, well, maybe you guys don't know, but I'm wearing a special shirt here. This shirt here,
Young Africans,
yes,
Tanzania team.
Tanzania football team. Young Africans, Betty's team. If I don't support it, you know, man, get a conk in the head. She have bought me and the wife for life 2 jerseys. So yeah, it's looking good. I'm even looking like a player.
Yes.
That is the situation. Taking a little sip. Can't promote certain things on the internet, so you don't know. You just have to know it's sip. It's brown liquor.
Like, minutes.
Yes. Here in Africa for like my 10th time, I would say. First time here in Africa was in 2022 with the wife. And it's just like, you know, Marcus Garvey, Bob Marley always said we're supposed to be in the motherland because that's where we're from. How many times I've been to Africa now?
10 times.
Man, live here. Jamaica must be asking me, well, go on, brother.
Oh, one.
And I'll come this side. I'm supposed to be in Jamaica because I want her to experience Carnival at its finest, which is this time. But I said to her, Jamaica expensive. You need long pockets to go to Jamaica. But it's home, so, you know, we have to go. We have to go, you know what I mean? It's not a negotiation thing, so we have to stack the chips and make it happen.
Go to party.
Yes, it's all about party.
Carnival.
Carnival, yeah. But even if we don't go in carnival season, there's always something to do in Jamaica. There's always party. You know, you wonder how the people work. Well, they work. They find time for party and they work.
That's what I want to go. Because always, my dad say, Tanzania people, we need vibes.
Yeah,
We
man.
need to wake up.
They need to wake up, man. So I have to take her to Jamaica to show her what real vibes is like.
I want to feel it.
Yes. All right. Well, today's a different kind of day.
It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day. And if it's a sunny day, it means we can go to the beach.
Yes, which is where we are going. And look what we are wearing.
Yeah, man. Wearing our Jamaica Sebastian representation, you know. So it's all about the merch.
All about the merch.
This is a personal merch, you know, nothing for sale. It's
It's just for us.
made for us, the family and close friends.
Yes.
Yes.
Bracelet, Jamaica necklace, Jamaica fob.
Yeah. Jamaica. It's all about Jamaica. Yeah. All right. We got one member here without Jamaican jersey, so we got Jamaica, India. Cheers.
Moja, mbili, tatu.
with him. Is this?
Abra.
Okay. Cadabra.
Abracadabra.
Yeah.
He's gonna disappear in like 2. Action.
Oh, okay, my friend. You know, I like the weather from here is different from Nigeria, is it?
Yeah.
So, and okay, forget that. Remember Fatma? Fatma from Kimara Manzese? Yes, yes, yes.
What happened? I problem with
Your first time having ackee. It's not saltfish, but we make do. So, let me see you taste it. Describe the taste.
I don't know what kind of taste like. It's kind of like mushroom, but not mushroom. Fish, but it's confused me.
It's all Jamaican.
I don't know.
Kalaloo.
Kuala Lumpur.
There it is. Bridgeton episode. Oh, that is best. Good afternoon.
What would you like to factor in my ear on this fine day?
In this moment, I would think if we could take a stroll together to the park of the town.
Yes, that's right.